And to make an exception just because we don't like VP Duterte doesn't really hold in the long term. Kumbaga, special treatment ang mangyayari doon. Whether bad or good is up for us to decide. Ang sasabihin kapag natuloy ang impeachment trial ni Duterte, it's a sham, it's a kangaroo court kasi pinayagan ng impeachment, pinayagan ng Supreme Court. Ang sasabihin ng mga anti-impeachment, unconstitutional at judicial activism ang ginagawa ng mga husgado, of which we don't really want them to do, di ba? Kasi baka mamaya, when the tide turns, tayo ang kawawa. In the long term, kapag ito ang ginagamit nilang talking point, we will be fucked. Whether impeached or not, convicted or acquitted, walang mangyayari. Pero at least we have the talking point na hindi na natin kailangan pang patunayan. Hindi na natin kailangan pang puntahan. Pero in defense of those who wanted the impeachment proceedings to commence at matuloy, it's all about the facts. Kasi alam naman nating hindi mako-convict si Sara. Duterte 7 made that clear. Pero we're talking about uncovering the arguments and evidences ng prosecution at ng defense. This only unnecessarily hinders that prospect. Kasi wala naman talagang impeachment conviction na mangyayari. We just wanted to know the evidences by the prosecution and the arguments of the defense. Now, do they have the constitutional mandate para pagbawalan ang Senado para ituloy ang impeachment which has already been in motion? I don't know yet. Pero I feel like they do. But on the contrary, it's sui generis. Sui generis circumstances begets sui generis solutions.